I'm going to show you how to hide or unhide apps from the home screen and app screen of your Galaxy Z Fold 8. So what you need to do is simply go to the home screen, long press an empty space on the home screen, and then tap on the settings icon to open up your settings page. In your home screen settings page, you should see the option hide apps on home and app screen. Tap on that and then choose the app you want to hide. So let's say that app is Facebook, for instance, and maybe Gboard. And then tap on done in the top right corner. And now you'll see those apps will now have disappeared from the app screen and from the home screen of your phone. To unhide these apps, you simply go back to the home screen settings page, go back to the hide apps on home and app screen, and then you can remove them from the list of hidden apps. Tap on done in the top right corner, and those apps are going to go back to both your home screen and your app screen. Thanks for watching and good luck.